The comedy of manners originated in the new comedy of the Greek Menander and was developed by the Roman dramatists Plutarch and Terence in the 3rd and 2nd centuries BC. Their plays dealt with the vicissitudes of young lovers and included what became the stock characters of much later comedy, such as the clever servant, old and stodgy parents, and the wealthy rival. The English comedy of manners was early exemplified by Shakespeare's Love's Labour's Lost and Much Do About Nothing, and was given a high polish in Restoration comedy. The Restoration form owes much to the brilliant dramas of the French writer Molière. It deals with the relations and intrigues of men and women living in a sophisticated upper-class society, and relies for comic effect in large part on the wit and sparkle of the dialogues, which constitutes a kind of verbal fencing match as well as on the violations of social standards and decorum by would-be-wits, jealous husbands, rivals, foppish dandies. Excellent examples are William Congreve's The Way of the World and William Wycherley's The Country Wife.